world that moves fast, where machines work faster than hands, and plastic replaces nature, there still exists a quiet, soulful art, the art of handmade craft. Jute craft teach us respect. Respect for nature, respect for resources, respect for effort. In a single piece of jute decor, there is no noise, no rush, no pollution, only calm, balance, only harmony. Craft also gives dignity to hands that work. Behind every handmade item is a person, a dream, a livelihood. When you support craft, you support creativity, you support small artisans, you support traditions that deserve to survive. Just craft is more than decor, it is a lifestyle that says, I care about what I bring into my home. A lifestyle that whispers, simple is enough. As we decorate our spaces with jute, we decorate our lives with mindfulness. A jute coaster under a cup of tea, a jute mat under their feet, a jute planter holding green life. These small things bring us closer to the earth. Craft teach gratitude. Gratitude for hands that create, gratitude for nature that provides, gratitude for simplicity. In a quiet moments of crafting, there is healing. Stress fades, thoughts slow down, creativity flows. Craft is therapy. Craft is meditation. Craft is self-expression. And jute is honesty. It does not hide behind colors. It does not demand attention. Yes, yet it captures heart. As trends change and seasons pass, jute remains timeless because nature never goes out of style. So the next time you see a handmade jute piece, pause for a moment. Feel its texture, notice its imperfections. Imagine the hands that made it. That is not just an object, that is art with a heartbeat. Craft is not old-fashioned, craft is forever, and jute craft is where art and soul meet. Craft and creativity has no limit. Creativity has no limit. Thank you. Be a part of this journey. Have a very nice and very good day. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. Jute born from the earth, touched by water, dried in the sun, and shaped by human hands. Every jute thread carries a journey, evergreen fields to warm home, from raw fiber to timeless beauty. When a person holds jute in the hands, they are not just holding rope or fiber, they are holding nature's gift. Craft teach us something modern life has forgotten. Slow down. When hands wave jute, time slows, breath becomes calm, and the heart feels space. There is magic in watching something simple turn into something beautiful. A plain glass bottle becomes a vase, an old jar becomes a lamp. Waste turn into wonder. There's the power of crafts. Craft does not need expensive tools. It needs imagination, it needs love, it needs belief. Jute craft reminds us that beauty does not need shine, it needs soul. Each knot tied in jute is a promise of durability. Each wave is a symbol of strength. Thank you. Be a part of this journey. Have a very nice and very good day. Ibrahim.